Good afternoon. It is September the 20th, 2017. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike in actual performance records, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be under overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, start out this morning on the E-mini. It was okay to sell failure to take out and hold 06. Had our first buy 2500, 2502. Didn't quite get there. Had our second buy 95.97. Did get there. The tendency for the market was to rally into the FOMC announcement. We got our rally. The tendency is for it to sell after the announcement, then rally back. So our pre-market forecast of how the market was going to act and what it was going to do was pretty close. Not perfect, but pretty close. And so now we're put in that position. If you're an institutional money manager, what has really changed? At the last FOMC meeting, they were talking about raising interest rates in December. Now they've announced the taper, which was expected, but it's only, JPM said it's going to be $10 billion a month. I don't know what it's going to be. That was not, I didn't see any that confirmed anywhere. So we'll have to see how that plays, but my guess is nothing has changed. We're still playing from the long side until Trump announces his tax package. Okay, we have an outside day on the F1 screen. Usually means trade it the next day. We have a P put in backwards. So that's not the world's strongest P by any stretch of the imagination. But it is a P nonetheless. And if you look at where volume is today, volume is above the Globex session, above yesterday, which is above the preceding day, which was above these 3 days back here. So everything structurally still says that the market can trade higher. News tomorrow. Jobless claims, 303. Philly Fed, 18. FHFA Housing Price Index, plus 0.4. May come in lower than forecast. LAI, plus 0.2. And natural gas inventories, don't know. My guess is it'll be Philly Fed's number will have the biggest impact on it. This will be discounted because of the hurricanes, and LAI, because of the low interest rate component, has not played. I don't expect it will tomorrow. So can we take out and hold 2505 or not? That's where we are. So we're exactly where we have been. Sell failure to take out 2505, and now it's up to 2507. 9 to 11. Sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make it 99.01, assuming we close here at 02. We will adjust it tomorrow. And then 95.97 for buy 2. But hopefully you guys are becoming more astute and adept at reading the news, figuring out what has actually changed, what hasn't changed, how it will impact the trading in the upcoming market. Okay, Treasuries got hit. Fed's raising interest rates. You'd expect them to sell. That's never good news for Treasuries. So lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Looking at the F2 screen. There's the FOMC announcement. So we have a structural sell at 25.29.5. Last rotate up stopped at 21.5. We're at 18.5. So selling 20s to 24s, 27 to 31. On the buy side, 17 to 13. The trade is to get short to see if we can take out 125.16. If we can't, then we can trade from the long side. And the next buy would be 5 to 9. You get the 30-year. Okay, we have a structural sell right here at 153.31 to 153.28. Leaning against that, last rotate up stopped at 27. So 24.28 is number one. Sell 31 to 03. Sell 7 to 11. On the support side down here, 12 to 16, number one. Buy 5 to 9. Buy 29 to 01s. Stops below 1300 in gold. Interest rates are going up. Why do I want to own gold? So outside day today, got a week close. We'll see a different picture on the F2 screen. So a structural sell here at 1308. Last rotate up stopped at 650. We're at 01. So selling 4s to 6. 9s to 11. On the buy side, they've already gotten stops below 1300, so 98 to 1300 by 1, 94, 96 by 2. Crude oil. Contract expiration is behind us. Certainly influenced the trading today. Got us that rally over 51. And probably that sell off down below 50.50. As the marquee jockeyed to get out of the positions. But we do have a higher low and a higher high on F1. Find a place to buy it. So, got a P. I think there's probably pretty good selling against 51. So, 75, 51, sell 1. 51 and a quarter, 51.50, sell 2. As long as we stay above 50, we can go to 52. 50 even, 50 and a quarter, buy 1. 49.50, 49.75, buy 2. And the euro, raising rates in the United States. Get paid more money on your money. Sell euros to buy U.S. securities. And it's a pretty easy play to see. Huge outside day, weak finish. Find a place to sell it. We're selling 40s to 50s. That low right there, 65 to 75, sell 2. Buying 1910s to 1920s. Buying 1890s, 1900s for buy 2. And we'll see if we can take it lower in London tonight. And that's it for this September the 20th, 2017. I'll see you bright and early in the morning, and hopefully we'll have some volatility that we can work with tomorrow. Today was kind of a pause day for everybody. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.